How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we are going to do an ab workout. The workout that I have chosen today, what we're going to do is we're going to do vertical legs are going to be there, crunches. So it's a very good exercise. I've showed this once in my other videos. Faux hawk's on point. I'm sorry, but faux hawk is on point. I did my hair for you guys. I just got out of the shower. So yeah, let's get it started. We'll do 5 repetitions. Exercise a little bit harder just because we are vertical leg, but we'll do our best. We'll do 10 sets. This will be a 10-minute workout. So you want to get into position, legs like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Nothing too extreme. What I will do in upcoming videos is I will increase repetitions. But for right now, I want to get all you guys just into the movements, into the exercises, and then over time, I'll slowly increase the repetitions. 5 reps is a good starting point, but we can do more repetitions. We don't want to go too high, but at the same time, we can go just a little bit higher. But again, that's just the variety and, that's just switching it up. But don't get me wrong, 5 reps is still very, very good, my friends. No Sparky today. She is at my wife's mom's place playing with other dogs, so she is not going to be in the video. I know it sucks. She's the workout fitness dog, or the fitness workout dog. Can't even remember what it is. It's funny because I say both, workout and fitness. It should really only be one, either workout dog or the fitness dog. I like to say both. Another 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, really make sure that you squeeze at the top. That's what's really gonna allow you to really build those abs up, my friends. So for anyone wondering, I did get a couple of questions from subscribers. They're asking me what my other channel is. Like I said, I'm not going to really advertise it too much. I do talk about it during these rest periods, but I'm not going to advertise it. I'm not going to put in the link in the description. I'm not going to show it on screen just because I'm not where I want to be yet for it, and I don't want to advertise it yet. There will come a point where I will do all that, but right now, it's not the time. Another 5 repetitions, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me know too, I don't think I've ever asked you guys, but let me know what you think of the 10-minute workouts. I'm just really curious what you guys think. What do you think of my rest periods? What do you think of the exercises? And I know some people, they'll do like 7 or 8 exercises in a video. Some won't take rest periods. You don't need to do that, in my opinion. That's just too much work, in my opinion. You can get big or get shredded abs doing the workouts that we're doing, and you don't have to go super intense. I know a lot of people are going super, super hard. That's how you burn out. That's how you hurt yourself. You don't want to do any of those. Trust me on that. I have hurt myself doing weights before, doing workouts, because I was going too hard too early in my career. Do not want to do that. Trust me. Another 5 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another thing too is that these repetitions again are something that I recommend doing, but if you're not feeling it in your abs or you think you can do a little more repetitions, by all means increase the repetitions from 5 to 10 reps and even 10 to 20 reps. Do whatever's comfortable, but in my opinion, 5 reps is pretty good. Again, we will make more videos. I have so many videos that I can make, so many different ab exercises. Then once we do all those, different reps, different sets, different rest periods, what we can do is start adding another exercise. But I don't want to do that yet just because there's way more opportunity to really build the abs up without doing that so far. Another 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really love doing this exercise. My favorite exercise though for abs is flutter kicks. You guys know that by now. I like leg raises. I like scissors. I like leg swings. I like ab crunches. I like vertical ab crunches. That's what we're doing right now. What are some other ones? I'm trying to think right now. V-ups or V-sit-ups. Those are good. Russian ab twists. Love doing those. Planks. Planks are amazing. Normal planks. Then there's side planks. Both are amazing. I'm trying to think. Reverse crunches. Amazing. You can do dragonflies too. That's a little tougher movement to do. It's kind of like doing a leg raise, but you kind of go a little bit farther and you do a crunch at the end. So it's a little bit tougher to do. 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Another good thing too is that I have been making 3 videos per day. So I've been going hard. I've been making 3 videos per day. It doesn't seem like a lot, but when your videos are 10 minutes long, the time you spend uploading, and then after that, I make other videos. I make 10 to 20 videos on my other channel. It really adds up for time. It basically consumes my nighttime when I get home after work. So I do that because I love to make videos. That's my new passion. Love doing that. Just got to keep doing it. Keep seeing the growth of the channel. And yeah, just keep it up. Another 5 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, definitely starting to feel it in my abs right now. Maybe because it was pretty physical at work, but I'm feeling it in my abs. If you guys aren't feeling it yet, do 10 repetitions, but you should be feeling it. Really make sure that you squeeze at the top. That's how you're gonna see the best results. But yeah, 3 videos per day. That's been really good to me, and that's what I'm gonna continue to do. And I feel that's a good number where you won't really burn out. I've burnt out before doing more videos, like 5 or 6 per day, making 10-minute videos. That I burnt out doing. That was way too hard. But 3 videos, not too hard in my opinion. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are almost done, my friends. We have 1 set left, actually. 1 set, and then we are completely done. It's kind of weird. I have, on my channel, I had 2,410 videos, but I got rid of some just because they were stupid videos. But I'm at 2,350, I believe, videos. Maybe 23, 25, somewhere around there. Made a lot of videos, want to keep going. I have some goals for 2020, some financial goals, some YouTube goals, some personal goals, some other goals. So I don't know how they're gonna go. Pretty lofty goals. We will see, my friends. 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Okay, comment below in the comment section. I want to know what you guys thought of the workout. Let me know what you guys think of these 10-minute workouts just in general. I love feedback from you guys, so that's why I'm always asking, commenting, do all that, and I always read the comments. Sometimes I don't respond to them. A lot of times I don't respond to them just because, again, I get around 100 comments per day, and I've tried doing this before, and answering every comment, even if each comment only takes me 30 seconds, never mind, I cannot do the math right now, I'm pretty tired. But it takes me, I think, half an hour to an hour, anywhere from that, just to do the comments. That really takes up a lot of my time. Believe it or not, like an hour is a good chunk of my time. So that's why I just skim through them. But again, I do read all of them. And sometimes I will respond if you guys are being super nice. You're like, thanks for the video. I will respond to some people. But yeah, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it.